One of the most important features of Davinci is that you can save different versions of coloring and work on different versions of coloring for the same shot. I'm going to come to this shot, reset all grades and nods. I'm going to work on two different versions of the shot, a high key and a low key version. Notice here that under the thumbnail here, you'll find that I'm on version 2 now. So for this version, let's increase the saturation, increase the gamma, get the lift down, add one more nod and increase saturation again. And I'm going to take the green out of shadows, so I'm going to lift here and just taking the green out. And then I'm going to add one more nod and increase saturation one more time. And I'm going to come to shadows and just take the saturation out here. Okay, this looks good. Now let's also add a window. I'm just going to have a new shot, create a window. Just going to draw a very fast shape around the boat. Feather it. And I'm going to track it. Okay, nods, I'm going to add an outside nod and just bring it down a bit. Come to the boat here, reduce the saturation. Okay, this looks good. Now, we're working on this version, but we want to work on another version, which is the low key version now. I'm going to right click here and go to local versions and create a new version. This is going to be version 4, so version 2 and version 4. Now once I clicked yes, now I have a new version here, which is version 4. Now I'm going to reset everything. Now this was automatically saved to version 4. A very important shortcut here is Command N and Command B. And what this will do is it will actually take you through different versions of your grade so you can compare them together.